Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amofa.o, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful Valentine's Day inspired look. So the palette that I'm going to be using today, I'm sorry if you're hearing the barking, my neighbor's dog. I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina palette to create this Valentine's Day inspired look. So stay tuned to see what I'm going to do. And I promise you it's not going to be the conventional reds. Everybody does red for Valentine's Day. I'm going to do something different. Okay guys, thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed so far. I don't know if I would have hit 1,000 followers by the time I post this video, but if I'm not yet there, please subscribe, share, tell a friend about your friend Amofa.o, and let's get straight into this look. So the first thing I'm going to be using on my face is the Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. I have already moisturized my face, so I'm going to just use this to mattify my face. And as always, I always do this. I'm going to set this primer. This primer smells so good, right? I'm going to set this primer with translucent powder from Laura Mercier. So what is everybody's plan for Valentine's Day? I feel like I've gotten to the point in my life where I don't know what to buy for my husband again for Valentine's Day. Either clothes or shoes or belt or watch, and I think he has a lot of that. And I feel like all those personalized things that say daddy are cool for Father's Day. So I'm in a bit of a higgledy-piggledy. As always, I'm gonna color correct using my LA Pro Girl color corrector. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Born This Way Too Faced foundation in the color Tiramisu. And I'm using a kabuki brush from BH Cosmetics to blend out my foundation today. And for concealer today, I am using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the color C13.5. Not too bright, just the perfect highlight for me. It's not like an obvious, oh she did a highlight and contour type of look. And I like to let this to dry a little bit, so while it's drying I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And for eyebrows today I'm going in with the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in the color Black and Brown. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Beauty sponge and I'm gonna blend this out. For contour today, we're going into the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Mahogany. Taking a Morphe M21 brush, I'm gonna conceal my brows. Taking this angled brush, I'm gonna blend out my contour. Always taking up that contour to this part of your eye, the outer part of your eye, just to make sure that it's all seamless and blended in well. You guys should be used to this palette by now on this channel, but taking this Morphe fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna take Big Wig, that is some color payoff. Just tapping that in. To my entire crease region. Then I'm going to take this blending eye brush from e.l.f. and we're going to go into Supreme, which is a light pink shade, a matte light pink shade, and we're going to use that to blend out the edges of Big Wig. So I'm patting it in first, and then I will use circular motions to begin blending. Going back into the purple I used before, just to make sure that it's not lost. So using my ColourPop concealer in Fair 00 because it's literally white, I'm gonna take a very small brush and I'm gonna cut my crease, so then I can't talk when I'm cutting my crease. If not, I'm gonna make a mistake. So I'm just gonna put it in, pull my eyes back, see where the line is, and start to create that cut. Okay, I'm gonna use 3 colors on my lid. I'm gonna use Supreme, Pink Here, and Chicotin. Taking Supreme first to the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go into Pink Here. It is coming out a bit darker than I thought on the lid, but it's okay. We can work with this. And I'm gonna take this all the way out. And I'm gonna take the same brush I used for Supreme and just blend between those 2 colors. Okay, now I did say I was gonna use Chicotin, and I haven't used it yet, so let's see. You do notice that I did leave a line here where I haven't put anything. Let's see what we can do with Chicotin then. So I'm taking an angled brush and I'm gonna go into Chicotin. I'm gonna start here and just see. This is Valentine's Day and we need to be sparkly, shining, show the world that we're giving some love. So I'm going into this, my stack of glitter from xoxo Cosmetics. So I'm going to go into this pink. Taking my Bisou liquid liner, I'm just going to create a wing. I'll be right back. Let me do what I did here on this other eye. Okay, so I am done, finished off this eye, and I think it came out pretty nice. Yeah. I put on some lashes. These are some lashes I got from local beauty supply store. I think it's Shelby, and yeah. To my melanin skin girls, you know when you're trying to lay your edges, does this happen to you? Like you get that line, like I had to remove the scarf and push it back a bit because it's giving me a line. Okay, so I've brushed off all the powder from my face, I finished the eye. Now I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lid. I've already lined my eyes with the Colossal Black pencil from Maybelline. I decided to not put any eyeshadow on the lower lash line. I thought that it looked pretty fabulous as it is already. I'm gonna go into my MAC powder and I'm gonna just set the whole face clean. I've not even done any highlight and there's already a highlight there. Don't worry, I have a skincare routine coming up with my drugstore favorite. Glam Beat by Nazi, you have seen it on this channel before. Her shadows can go as blushes. So I'm gonna take this purple here and I'm gonna apply it as, do you see that? So whenever I use an eyeshadow for blush, I like to go over it with a translucent powder. Just because you know how eyeshadow you use a primer or use a concealer to keep it in place. I just like to do this extra step of precaution so I don't get oily in those areas. So just take a bit like this, dab it off onto the back of my cover and just go over it. Highlighter, and I'm going to use the ColourPop I have no idea how they say this, but it's from Colourpop anyway. Taking the same brush that I used to do Supreme in the inner corner of my lid, I'm just going to take a bit of that. How you do? How you doing? For the lips, in line with this whole pinky purpley look, I am going to go in with a lipstick that I rarely use, but I still have it. I'm gonna have to finish it, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm going with MAC's Matte Candy Yum Yum. It's a very pink look, so I'm gonna then I'm gonna line my lips with my favorite brown, as we all know, Limbo from Colourpop. Taking my setting spray from Morphe, I'm just gonna set this all in place.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed how this Valentine's Day look came out. Not the conventional red. Do something for you, and happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day.